Who am I really?
Hi, my name's Christine, and I am a mom of two, a wife, and I have a dog. We own two successful businesses, but it hasn't always been that way. You see, in July of 2018, my family and I were almost homeless. One of our previous businesses failed and left us with nothing. Two kids, a dog, and nowhere to go. But we made a move. We picked up, we moved 4 hours away from where we were, and we decided we were going to start all over and do whatever it took to make sure that we were successful. We had two kids in daycare. One was 3 and one was 1, and we had a daycare bill to pay, and we had like $9,000 when we moved down here to get going. Well, an apartment down here is about $2,000 a month. So you can imagine that we had to do something very quick. So we started a landscape business, and we worked every single day, Monday through Friday, because Saturday and Sunday daycare's not open. And we did what we had to do to make sure that our kids had a roof over their. Fast forward 4 years, here we are, house, two successful businesses, and I realized that I don't want to do this for the rest of my life. So about 2 months ago, I started affiliate marketing. Less than a week later, my husband followed suit. Needless to say, the first 4 weeks that I was in it, not having any experience prior to this, just starting, I'd already made a commission. My husband made his first high-ticket commission 5 weeks ago, and we're already taking more time off from the two businesses that we have. See, the difference is I found a program that works, that had the support, that helped me along the way. My coaches are always there when I need them. My community is always there when I need them. I'm never left hanging, and I think that's what made the biggest difference for me. So for all you out there that say that you can't do affiliate marketing because you don't have time or you don't know what you're going to do, the only excuse that you can have is that you're not willing to change your future. You're not willing to change your life. So if you're ready to make financial freedom a reality for you, then leave me a comment that says I'm in and let's talk, because if I can do it, so can you.